How to add a Lyft gift card. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can add a Lyft gift card. Okay, so on the Lyft app you have to know that you can add a gift card just like every other app. So the first thing to do is to open your Lyft app just like I have done here, and then on the app's interface by the top left corner of the screen, you'll see three dashes. Click on it. So once you've clicked on it, a diagram menu would appear to you, and you'll see a list of options such as notification, free rides, red history, payment rewards, and then gift cards. Gift cards. That is our focus. So all you need to do is to click on gift cards. So once you click on it, you'll be directed to your web page where you would see delete gift card, and then you see give the gift of rights. Wow, that's nice. You'll send gift cards to your loved ones for lift rides and bike or scooter riders. So you can just go ahead and then you buy a gift card. Just buy a gift card. That is if you're trying to send gift cards to your loved ones for Lyft right. So just go ahead and click on buy Lyft card. So once you click on it, you would select the image you want. If you want the pink or the rainbow like image or the other one, whichever one you want to select, and then you select the amount. That is the amount you want the gift card to be rated. So the amount will dictate the kind of right or the amount or the kind of right that he or she can board or can schedule for using that gift card. Okay, the money you get it would determine the worth. So you can ensure that maybe the delivery could be by text message or email. Then you input the person's phone number. If it's for text message, you put person's phone number, then you choose recipient's name. You could add the message, you preview, delivery, then purchase review, then you choose a payment method. Then you go ahead and you buy it. But if you want your email, just go ahead and click on the box next to the email. Once you click on it, then recipient email address, name, and then just input the details, and then you go ahead and you buy the gift card. So, but this is for those that want to buy gift card. But if you have a gift card already and you want to redeem it, you want to use it for a ride, you are in the lower part of the screen, not that low though, but next to buy a gift card, you'll see redeem your gift card. Redeem your gift card. So just input your gift card number there. Once you input it in there, by the lowest part of the screen, you'll see redeem. Just click on redeem and you'll be able to use that gift card to get a ride on the Lyft app. So to this is how to add a Lyft gift card. Thanks for watching.